So in this crypto.com tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to open a crypto Visa credit card here on crypto.com. So once crypto.com is opened up, I want you to go to the bottom right to where it says card and press on that. Now once you're here, you can level up your account, also known as sign up for a crypto rewards Visa card. So a bunch of different options here. So they're basically tiered. So there's the Midnight Edition, there's Ruby, there's Jade or Indigo, there's Icy/Rose, and then there's Obsidian. So it also shows you like the spending rewards, the banking rewards, the stocks rewards, as well as the limits right here. So for example, if you're just looking to get in, you can go ahead and just do Midnight for instance. So if you wanted the Midnight Visa card, 0% on spending, 1.5% up to on banking, and up to 1% on stock. So if you wanted to go press continue that way, you can kind of scroll down, see what it's looking at, and if all looks good, you can go to the bottom, press on Get Midnight or press on Get Ruby or whatever card you selected to proceed that way. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to open a crypto Visa credit card up here on crypto.com. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.